Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Godox AD200 with an X2T trigger. First, make sure both your AD200 and X2T trigger are fully charged to avoid any interruptions during the setup process. Next, power on both devices. It's crucial to do this before attempting to establish a connection. Finally, set your AD200 to receiver mode, which allows it to accept signals from the X2T trigger. Now, let's configure the channel and group settings. You need to select a matching channel on both your AD200 and X2T trigger. For example, if your X2T is on channel 1, your AD200 should also be on channel 1. Then, assign the AD200 to a specific group, like Group A, on your X2T for individual control. Always confirm these settings are identical on both units. With the channel and group set, it's time to test the connection. Perform a test fire from your X2T trigger. You should observe a flash or an indicator light on the AD200, confirming it received the signal. If it doesn't fire, double-check your settings. Try adjusting the power output on the X2T, perhaps to 1/16 power, and retest to ensure everything is working correctly. For optimal performance, always check for firmware updates for both your AD200 and X2T. These updates often include bug fixes and new features. Also, ensure no other wireless devices are interfering with the signal, as this can disrupt the connection. If you encounter persistent issues, consult the user manuals for specific error codes or advanced settings. Sometimes, a simple reset can resolve minor glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.